Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Besties. Today we're gonna make YouTube play that date. First up, we're gonna make this. Let me show you how. So we're gonna cut it out from my red paper. Cut this out. Before you want to outline a round square and then put a and then you can color whatever you want inside. It's up to you, but it has to be so one inside you can barely see, but I put pink in there and like I put to you. And next, and not for this part, next you get, then you can color whatever you want because it's your play button. You can do this is your play button. You can do whatever you want. You color around with this. So then I have side because I kind of accidentally, when I paused it to get my papers, I was getting some papers and then I accidentally recorded and it was confuse you all, so that's right. So pick your best one. There we go. Next part of this is I got two because I didn't decide. So I'm gonna check for me. You guys comment on what color you want. This color is the winner because it looks like a golden play button. So I like that. Next, you're gonna on the very top of your paper write your name and write your name 3D like this. Like this 3D, so you can color it in, or you just want to line. That's up to you. I cannot control your life, so they can't. Because if I could, I'll make you guys all nice to me. And yeah, I never seen any of you guys subscribe yet. I never seen anybody subscribe, so please subscribe. Give me some support on my journey. This Emma. My name is Emma. You also customize your name. Next, you can to make it pop like a coloring book. Little birdie reads. Yeah, I'm actually surprised how many fans she has. Doesn't have to be like exactly like the drawing. Doesn't have to be exactly. You can erase, or if you actually did it, so you can erase the extra parts of it. Like this. Next, what I just told you, that's why I told you to do it. Color, you can color it. I'm gonna use pink because that's my favorite color. Well, not really, like no. I like pastel pink. You can use any colors, like 2 colors, any color, infinite colors. Because you probably don't even have it. No, I'm doing 2 colors, turquoise, obviously, and pink, obviously, like this. Next, get your play YouTube date. On all the bottom, put how much you did. I haven't got any. And you could put the number like every, but you could do how much you want. Maybe you could do your goal. My goal is trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So you can add any number you want. 10. like this. You can put your play button now so you can like they'll glue it, yeah, but you put it right now so you can see where you want it. Now again, color it in. I'm doing like a different pinkish. Or you can leave it, I cannot control your life. Also you can this time I'm highlighting it and see what's better. Yes. Next you can I'm doing it. I forgot the most of it. I forgot that. But it's awesome. Like this. No, I didn't do it yet, but I'm showing you what it looks like. If it's like too wide, you can always cut it. That's what I do because it's a little too high. I put my laser where I want it, now cut it where I want it. Too big. Oh, what more? When I find the size I want, I get my scissors. Remember we started just this planing. To start like this, I think we heard because it's mine. This one, just on the other Or that. I guess I had a box, guys. I think size one. I did a little smaller. You check. Yep. That's one. Oh wait, I forgot. Wait. Yep, Papa color. Yep. Now, and we can finally glue it. I bought a ruler, but you had to. I brought it to like measure. See how big this is. It is so cute. I got it for about chips. You guys are gonna ask. This is 4 centimeters and one half inch. Include this in. Ready, guys? It's gluing in. So glue it in. We got to glue it in. Congratulations, guys! You made your own play button. Wait, you can. You got 1.15. I forgot K. Obviously, because my hand's called Emma K. Duh. So I had to call it. You guys did it. So my Nina just came. So sorry about that. My Nina just came. You guys did it. You guys made your own play button. Next, thank you guys so much. Remember, comment down below. So comment down below if you want to make more class. Bye.